Welcome to Sheri-Fun Vibe, the place for travel tips, deals, notices, information, and fun, fun, fun. Now, almost every week we get inquiries into our Sheri-Funtastic office requesting information on visa applications. And yes, this is a service that we offer, particularly for our clients who have made a decision to complete their trip plans with us. So we're talking about our getaway packages, our rail sail and stay packages, and of course one of our many sailing options on our preferred suppliers such as Norwegian Cruise Lines, MSC, Princess, Cunard, and of course we could go on and on and on. And do not forget, as a matter of fact, that we are sailing on the Norwegian Bliss next year, August 25th, into Alaska. We're inviting you all to come along. Now back to the issue of US visas. This is very important that you take note of the information presented in this particular Sheri-Fun Vibe, as it will make your visa application for the United States a breeze. Take a look.
Hello and welcome to the U.S. Embassy in Kingston, Jamaica. Every year, thousands of Jamaicans travel to the United States. Jamaicans who wish to travel to the U.S. need to come to the embassy for an in-person interview. Let's get started. To begin the application process, you will need to go to seac.state.gov and fill out the form DS-160. While someone may assist you in filling out the form, you are ultimately responsible for the accuracy of the information provided. Next, you will need to schedule an appointment and pay the application fee. You can do this online by going to usvisa-info.com. Be sure to bring the following items to your interview: the printed appointment confirmation page, the applicant confirmation page, and your passport. If you've traveled on an expired passport, please bring it. If you're traveling with children, please remember to bring their birth certificates. You will also need to provide 2 passport photos taken within the last 6 months. Make sure the photos provided meet our technical requirements.
On the day of your interview, you should arrive 15 minutes before your scheduled appointment. All applicants will go through a security screening process. Please make sure you do not bring prohibited items into the embassy. Food and drink are also not allowed, but they may be purchased inside the waiting area. At the pre-screening window, please hand your passport and confirmation pages to the consular staff. This is your last chance to make any corrections to your application. Next, the pre-screening staff will take your fingerprints. You will place the 4 fingers of your left hand on the scanner. Then, the 4 fingers of your right hand. And finally, your 2 thumbs.
The final part of the application process is an interview with an American consular officer. This is the most important part of the application process. A greeter will guide you to an interview window. Please slide only your passport under the glass. The officer will verify your fingerprints and ask you for any other documents if necessary. It is essential that you answer the officer's questions openly and honestly. Giving false information could make you permanently ineligible for a visa. The officer will tell you at the end of the interview whether your visa application was approved or denied. If you qualify for a visa, you should receive your passport back through our courier service in about 1 week. Thank you for your interest in visiting the United States.